So clearly a composite function. You've got an inside, which is the quotient, and then raised to a second power. Okay, so we will have chain inside this. All right, so I'll come all the way over here just to be on the safe side. F prime of x. All right, power rule on the outside part of the function. So I'm going to pull the 2 down in front. I'm going to leave the inside alone. I'm going to subtract 1 from the exponent, which is just going to be a first power, but I'm going to go ahead and write it there because people forget to subtract it. Now, times the derivative of the inside function. So the outside function was the power rule. 2 comes down front. Leave the inside alone. Subtract 1 from the exponent. Take the derivative here. All right, and then this derivative right here is your quotient rule. Okay, so I'm going to leave my 2. I'm going to leave my 3x minus 1, x squared plus 3 alone. All right, now quotient rule. So we're going to do the bottom, x squared plus 3, times the derivative of the top. Can I do the derivative of the top without using the ddx notation? Derivative of the top is a 3, minus the top, which is a 3x minus 1, times the derivative of the bottom. Can we do the derivative of the bottom without doing the ddx notation? The derivative of that bottom is just going to be a 2x. I'm going to go ahead and put square brackets around that part, all over, and x squared plus a 3 to the second power. All right, now let's work on cleaning this up here in this numerator right there. So I'm going to keep the 2. Well, it really doesn't matter at what point. I can keep that 2. I'm going to move it up to the top, make it a 3x minus 1. Again, I probably am not going to distribute that. Let's distribute this 3x squared plus 9. All right, can we distribute and do the negative all at the same time here? So 2x times 3x would be a 6x squared with a minus in front. Don't let me screw this up. 2x times 1, and it's a negative, so negative times negative is going to make it a positive. So a positive 2x. Make sure I didn't screw that up. X squared plus 3 to the second power. I don't know. Let's go ahead and distribute that. See what happens. If I'm multiplying, what's my denominator going to be? Taylor, say it. Yeah, to the third power. Because this is to the first power. When multiplying like bases, I add those exponents. So I'm going to have a third power there. So let's do a 6x minus a 2. Don't let me screw this up. Times... let's add some like terms here. So minus 3x squared. I'm going to go ahead and put the 2x plus a 9 just so that it's in descending order. X squared plus 3 to the third.